Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, a world of extremes shrouded in mystery. It dances closest to the sun, enduring scorching heat and frigid darkness. But what lies beneath its battered surface? Could this tiny world harbor a secret treasure trove, a dazzling layer of diamonds? The possibility is tantalizing, urging us to delve deeper into the heart of this celestial enigma. Mercury's surface is a desolate landscape scarred by billions of years of asteroid impacts. Craters of all sizes pockmark its surface, telling tales of a violent past. But these impacts may have done more than just scar the surface. They might have created the perfect conditions for a most extraordinary transformation. Imagine, beneath the dust and rock, a glittering layer of diamonds, born from the intense pressure and heat of cosmic collisions. The idea might seem like something out of science fiction, yet the universe is full of surprises. Scientists believe that the conditions on Mercury, while harsh, might be ideal for the formation of diamonds. To understand why, we must journey to the heart of our own planet and unlock the secrets of how diamonds are made. Mercury is a planet of stark contrasts. During its long days, the sun blazes down, heating the surface to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This is hot enough to melt lead. But at night, the temperature plummets to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. This swing is unlike anything on Earth. Mercury's proximity to the sun and lack of atmosphere cause this. Without an insulating atmosphere, heat escapes rapidly, leaving the surface exposed. Diamonds, symbols of love, luxury, and enduring strength. These glittering gems are prized for their brilliance and durability, but few realize the violent cosmic dance that gives birth to these precious stones. They are born from intense pressure and heat, deep within the Earth's mantle. Imagine carbon atoms, the building blocks of life subjected to unimaginable forces. Deep underground, under crushing pressure and scorching temperatures, these atoms bond together in a unique, incredibly strong tetrahedral structure. This unique arrangement gives diamonds their incredible hardness and their ability to refract light, creating their signature sparkle. On Earth, diamonds are typically found in volcanic pipes brought to the surface by deep-seated eruptions. But could a similar process be happening on Mercury? The answer, tantalizingly, might be yes. Section 4. Graphite clues, hints of hidden treasure. While no one has yet mined diamonds on Mercury, there are compelling clues that suggest their presence. One key piece of evidence lies in the abundance of carbon on the planet. Observations from NASA's Messenger spacecraft revealed that Mercury's surface contains significant amounts of graphite, a form of carbon. Now, graphite itself isn't a diamond. You might even have some in your pencil, but under the right conditions, graphite can transform into its much more glamorous cousin. The immense pressure and heat generated by asteroid impacts on Mercury's surface could provide the perfect environment for this transformation. Imagine, if you will, an asteroid hurtling through space at thousands of miles per hour, slamming into Mercury's surface. The energy released in that instant would be colossal, generating unimaginable heat and pressure, enough to transform the humble graphite into sparkling diamonds. Section 5. Unveiling the Truth, the quest for confirmation. The evidence for a diamond layer on Mercury is compelling. However, confirming its existence directly presents significant challenges. The extreme temperatures and radiation near the sun make it a hostile environment for spacecraft. Landing on the surface and drilling into the planet's crust to retrieve samples is a daunting technological feat. Despite these challenges, the scientific community is not deterred. New missions are being planned to further explore Mercury and unravel its secrets. These missions will carry advanced instruments capable of analyzing the composition of the planet's surface in greater detail. They will also study the planet's magnetic field and gravity, providing valuable clues about its internal structure. The quest to confirm the presence of diamonds on Mercury is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a reminder that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered. Section 6. Cosmic Wonders. Await a universe of possibilities. The possibility of a diamond layer on Mercury is a captivating thought, a testament to the universe's ability to surprise and amaze us. It reminds us that we are still just scratching the surface of what is out there. Our solar system, once thought to be well understood, is teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we continue to explore our cosmic backyard, we are constantly reminded of the vastness and diversity of the universe. Every new discovery opens up new avenues of inquiry, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and igniting our imaginations. So, while the jury is still out on whether Mercury truly harbors a hidden treasure of diamonds, the very possibility is a testament to the wonders that await us in the cosmos. It serves as a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and our journey of discovery has only just begun.